Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Coinomi. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Download the Coinomi application on your mobile device. If you've not done that yet, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for Coinomi. Download this Coinomi wallet application from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you've done that, tap on the open button to launch the app open. The first interface of Coinomi will look like this. If you want to create a new wallet on Coinomi, simply tap on Create a New Wallet button, and on the next page, select how secure you wanna set your password to. Once you are done, head over to your password text box and create a password for your wallet. Remember that your password must be at least 10 characters long. After you are done, retype in your password on the next field. Tap on the arrow at the bottom right hand corner. And now, allow Coinomi to use your Face ID, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Select some of the coins you'd like to add on your wallet and tap on the plus button at the bottom right. And the next thing to do is to back up your wallet for Coinomi. Simply tap on Tap to Start button at the top and enter your wallet password in the text box in order to reveal your recovery phrases or your seed phrases. Make sure to enter your password correct and tap on Unlock. Once you verify your password, you'll be able to see the recovery phrases or your seed phrases displayed on the screen. Remember that your recovery phrases must be kept safe. If anyone has access to your recovery phrases, then they will have access to your funds on your wallet, so make sure that this is kept a secret. Write down the recovery phrases and tap on this little circle at the bottom that says I have safely stored my recovery phrases offline. Make sure to write the seed phrases in a correct order. Once you are done, tap on the arrow facing towards the bottom right hand corner, and now confirm your recovery phrases by selecting each words displayed in the boxes, and make sure to select the words as they are in your recovery phrases that you recently backed up. Select each words in a correct order. After putting them in the correct order, tap on the arrow at the bottom right. And now you'll need to change your password one more time in order to get to your wallet. Enter a new password, or you can enter the same password that you typed in before. Re-enter the password one more time and tap the arrow at the bottom right again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up or create a new wallet on Coinomi. You can easily add Bitcoin or other crypto funds to your Coinomi wallet by either receiving crypto from someone from your Bitcoin ATM or crypto exchanges. Once your wallet is funded, you can start sending and receiving crypto from your Coinomi wallet. That is how you can easily sign up for Coinomi. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.